Welcome to your last day of school. Woo! Me and Miss Pistilli are so very proud of you guys. We made it to the end of second grade. Woohoo! We're all going to third grade. Woohoo! So today Miss Sorrentino is going to read us a story on the last day of school in 2020. So right now we're all experiencing that last day of school in 2020. So here we go. I want you to think how you're feeling on the inside. On the last day of school by Amy Mars, illustrated by Jan Wolk. To my daughter Autumn, who always brightens my day, and her amazing kindergarten teachers, Miss Powell and Miss Procher. So in this story, it's about a kindergarten student. So every time we see kindergarten, Miss Sorrentino is going to change it to second grade. So are you ready for it? I want to dedicate this reading to you guys, 2202, and your amazing work that you've done this whole year. On the last day of second grade in the year 2020, there was one thing for certain, and that was staying home plenty. Who's been staying home a lot? All of us here. So this little girl is feeling the same way we've all been feeling. She looks kind of sleepy and tired and bored, just like us. I'd been going to school, as all good kids do, when all of a sudden the world closed quite out of the blue. So, same thing. The world closed. And she wanted to go to school just like all of us want to go to school. The first day of homeschooling was certainly something new. My teacher was my mom, and she had no idea what to do. As quick as a flash, our teachers were there. They pulled packets and worksheets with a flair. See how it's rhyming a little bit, boys and girls? And they're talking about teachers like me and Miss Pistilli. In the year 2020, when lessons were online, our teachers showed up virtually and stopped us when we started to whine. So it was really hard this year, but we made it through. It's now the last day of school. They said, sit still, be quiet, and listen. Take notice, tune in. There's new ways to learn. I think we all deserve a round of applause because we all learned in this new way through the computer. We've done such a great job. But as the days drew on, my moods took a turn. So here she's shocked, sad, kind of mad, doesn't want to talk to anybody, she wants to stay quiet. I want you to think about this remote learning and your feelings throughout it. Sometimes we were excited to see our friends. Sometimes we weren't that happy. Sometimes we didn't want to do our work, but we got through it. We should all be super excited about the summer and the fact that we're going to third grade. It wasn't a moment till my teacher was there. She called on the phone and lifted all my despair. Now that word despair is a big word, and it means she lifted all her sadness. The teacher wrote a note, I love you, I miss you too. Think about all the times this year Miss Pistilli and Miss Sorrentino said, we love you, we miss you so much, we miss you so much right now, boys and girls. Through the pictures and videos, we all kept in touch. There were days when it all seemed like just too much. There were definitely days where everything might have been a little overwhelming for all of us here. But we made it through. We tried our hardest and we did our best work. In that year of 2020, our hearts had grown. I saw my teacher's heart break as they had to let us go. Our hearts are breaking a little bit, boys and girls, because it's the end of the year and we don't get to really give you that last hug of goodbye. So everybody give yourselves a hug right now for Miss Sorrentino and Miss Pastilli. On that last day of second grade, in that crazy year, as my teachers, you pushed me and loved me so dear. We said practice, practice. We answered your questions when you needed help. We said we loved you. We said we miss you. I'm ready to move forward for the great journey ahead. You've laid the foundation so my learning can spread. We want you to go out there this whole summer, look for amazing facts, practice all the things that we've learned in second grade so that you're ready for third. The year of 2020 will not be forgotten. Leaving without a hug seems so rotten. It does right now. Like I said, we can give ourselves hugs from Miss Sorrentino and Miss Pastilli. Do not despair, though. That means don't get that sad. I'll be there next year. Your hug will be saved, and that much is clear. All you guys, your hugs are saved. Wait until you see us. We're gonna hug you. On the last day of second grade in 2020, though the schools were closed, that did not stop me from learning any. The end. All right, boys and girls, Miss Sorrentino and Miss Pastilli want to leave you with this. We love you, we miss you, and we are so extremely proud of you and all of the work you did this year. We hope everybody has a fabulous, fabulous summer. You spend time with your families. You go outside and enjoy nature. You learn new facts. You keep practicing math. You keep practicing reading. You stay safe. You wear sunscreen. And know that your hug is waiting for you next year. We are so happy that you're going to third grade. You've all made it and you all did such a good job. We are so proud of you. We miss you so much and we love you. Bye, 202.